friends, our today's video is on Indian Parliament. We have seen that in the competitive exam, lot of questions comes from Indian Parliament. Besides, as a responsible citizen of India, we should know about our Parliament. So, our first question is, what is the name of the Indian Parliament? Answer is Indian Parliament known as Sangsad. We should also know the name of Parliament in other countries, such as in Iran, the name of the Parliament is Mojlis. In Japan, it is Diet. In Pakistan, it is Majlis-e-Shura. In Russia, it is called Duma. In Denmark, it is called Folketing. In Norway, the parliament is known as Storting. Next question is, what is called the lower house of the parliament? The Lok Sabha is called the lower house of the parliament. How many seats are there in Lok Sabha? As per constitution, there are 550 seats in Lok Sabha, but presently there are 543 seats. Which state has the maximum representation in Lok Sabha? Uttar Pradesh has the maximum representation in Lok Sabha with 80 seats. What is the minimum age limit to become a member of the Lok Sabha? The minimum age limit to become a member of the Lok Sabha is 25. Who presides over the Lok Sabha? The Speaker presides over the Lok Sabha. Who is the present Speaker of Lok Sabha? Om Birla is the present Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. What is the full form of Nota? The full form of Nota is none of the above. Which amendment removed the reserved seat for the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies? 104th Amendment of the Constitution removed the seat reservation for Anglo-Indian community. Which amendment reduced voting age from 21 to 18? The 61st Amendment of the Constitution lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years. What is called the upper house of the parliament? The Rajya Sabha is called the upper house of the parliament. How many seats are there in Rajya Sabha? There are maximum 250 members are there in Rajya Sabha, but currently there are 245 members. How many members are nominated in Rajya Sabha? 12 members are nominated in Rajya Sabha. Who presides over the session of Rajya Sabha? The Vice President of India presides over the session of Rajya Sabha. What is the minimum age limit to become a member of Rajya Sabha? The minimum age limit to become a member of Rajya Sabha is 30 years. Who is the present chairman of Rajya Sabha? The present chairman of Rajya Sabha is Jagdeep Dhankar. Who was the first chairman of Rajya Sabha? The first chairman of Rajya Sabha was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. What is the tenure of the member of Rajya Sabha? Each member of Rajya Sabha serves a 6-year term. One third of the Rajya Sabha members retire every 2 years. Who elects the members of Rajya Sabha? The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the state legislative assemblies. Which bills can be introduced in Rajya Sabha? Except money bill, all the bills can be introduced in Rajya Sabha. Which bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha? The money bill should be introduced only in Lok Sabha. So, this is all about today's video on Parliament. I think all will enjoy and benefit from this video. Wait for our next video. Thank you.